Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? Over a year ago, I made a video where I did my makeup in foreign languages. Yeah, my tongue barely survived that challenge. Today we're here to torture my tongue a little more. What? I'm warming it up. In today's video, instead of doing my makeup, I'll be baking in foreign languages. Now, this is a Dao challenge for me. First of all, I don't know how to speak any of those languages. Second, this is literally the third time I'm baking a cake in my life. What can possibly go wrong? I'll be randomly switching between these 9 languages, which I have no idea how to speak, throughout this video, relying on Google Translate. So, if I say something dumb or something... I forgot the word. Inappropriate in your language. This time it won't be my fault. I have this odd feeling that Google Translate will be trying to sabotage me the whole time, but that's okay. Sambahta kya galat ho sakata hai. This is a very bad idea. Per fare la mia torta. Oh my god. I love Italian. Per fare la mia torta io avrò bisogno burro, zucchero, uova, vaniglia, sale, farina con lievito. It's very weird because in Greece we have this brand called Farina and they make flour, so this was easy for me. Aspettare. Questo non è tutto. Cacao in polve e latte. Oh. So this is where latte comes from, you know, the coffee, the beverage. I feel so dumb. I was today's years old when I realized that latte in Italian means milk. Why I'm learning this now? Dieses Rezept ist 10 einfach. Ich werde nichts vermassen. Nichts. Watch my previous video to find out how my learning German journey went. Learning German journey? Okay.
Jag älskar att äta den här tårtan med.
She's very aggressive. Jag älskar äta denna tårta med yoghurt eller te. Ett tugga koka.
Ett sked yoghurt.
Guys, it's so weird because I see one thing in Google Translate. It literally writes sked. But when I listen it, it sounds like
Ett sked yoghurt.
where is the how do we say it? Ett sked yogurt. Yogurt. This is exactly how I'm eating it. 1 bite of cake, then 1 spoon of yogurt. And it's so good. I just need to be careful so that the one doesn't finish before the other, because it's very annoying when that happens. So, lickel. I see R, but I'm pronouncing L. I don't know if that's right. This is making me nervous. Hora de hornear. Yeah. Muchi muthan lagana he. Ooh, cake mut me. Yeah, but makhan he. I think he means I. Yeah, I think that this is a little too much makhan. Atta juri. Toing, toing, toing. Okay, acha. Ye mira arta hai. Ye chalni hai. Arta jarni. Bloop. Is it making any sense? Meda chan li. Acha. Woo. Oi. Ruko. Ye bahut chota hai. Acha. Listen, I'm not good at multitasking. So you're seeing me at a very vulnerable... I told you I'm gonna destroy my tongue with this challenge. Acha. Ambil mentega, masukkan dalam makung. Baiklah. Mentega dan tepung. Ini pengedun saya. Saya jarang honey mango. It's been a really long time since we heard that song. I've been trying to say this word for 12 minutes now. 12 minutes. Yeah, I timed it. I don't know how to make my tongue move like this. Saya jarang menggunakannya. Oh, I think I got it right. Menggunakannya. I don't know what I just said, but it feels like I said it wrong. Girl, a minute. I'm okay.
12 seconds later.
Saya melakukan kesilapan. I wasn't supposed to mix the flour with the butter. I was just supposed to beat the butter in a separate bowl. It looks like I did something wrong. Yes, definitely. You can tell that something is not going according to the plan. Apa yang kita buat sekarang? Kucing marah. Hada sukar. Nam. Sukar.
السكر يجعل كل شيء جيد المذاق.
You get the idea. I don't need to say it again. Ehliti bisoratin. See, I don't see the ending of the word. I see this, but I hear
اخلطي بسرعة.
I hear this tin at the end. So I don't know if I'm supposed to pronounce it or not. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to have some fun, and Google Translate is ruining everything. اخلطي بسرعtin.
3 دقائق.
Teleso dakaika. That's for how long I was supposed to mix the mixture. And it was supposed to look like karimon, but instead it looks like this. And I'm also having very hard time with Arabic, okay? Arabic is kicking my butt. I wanted to say so much things in Arabic. I'm gonna try again a little later, okay? Please don't be mad at me. Nihon. Tamago iko. Ninbama no tamago. Sanko no tamago. 4個の卵5個の卵結構いいえなんか
カリカリのケーキは欲しくない。
Okay, challenge accepted. I'm gonna say that. カリカリのケーキは欲しかない。結構ミキサーMikisa, where is my Mikisa? Watashi no Mikisa wa doku desu ka? I tried saying this more than 50 times until I hopefully got it right. Japan always fascinated me. Their food, their language, their culture, everything is just so interesting. And I think that everything sounds so good in Japanese. It's such a beautiful language. Let me hear how is kitten in Japanese. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone.
Kitten.
Not in English.
子猫。
Koneko. Oh, how is vacuum cleaner?
掃除機。
Shojiki. See, everything sounds adorable. Dirt.
泥。
Doro. Doro means gift in Greek. Here, take your Doro. Vanilla. Vanilla jogurun. Tikache. Ku palyo. Lobun. Mishun. Ikhani. Makhun. Chini. Dim.
Dim.
What is that thing she says at the end?
Dim.
Dim. I'm just gonna say dim. Vanilla. And boom. Moida. Coffee pause. So bitter. Köstlich. Ich werde Hälfte des Kuchens setzen. I don't know why I suddenly started talking in slow motion. Ich werde die Hälfte des Kuchens setzen. I sound drunk. Ich werde die Hälfte des Kuchens setzen in der Kuchenform. Sehr gut. Mein Kuchen wird zweifarbig sein. Die andere Hälfte wird Schokolade sein. Eine Farbe ist gut, aber langweilig. Esto is leche. Let's do this again. Esto es leche. Necesito calentarlo. Oh, I know that. Caliente. Fuego. Zapatilla. It's getting caliente in here. Calmate, Denny, calmate. Pastella. Todo está bajo control. Calentando la leche. No hirviendo. No. Simplemente cálida. Or cálido. I don't know which one is for leche, so... Cálido? I don't know. Prueba de dedo. ¡Ay! Sí. Bueno. Caliente. Fuego. Prueba de dedo was not a good idea. Don't do prueba de dedo. Dedo doesn't like it. 50 grammi di cacao. Oops. 50. Al cacao al latte e mescolare. Mescolare. Oh, ho un'idea migliore. Ping. Watch this. Versare il latte di cacao. Mescolare bene. Oh, that's so oddly satisfying.
أنا أختلط مع الملعقة الخاصة بي.
Okay, I should not give up. I should at least try. أنا أنخلط my الملكات الكاسات بي. Huh? How is it? Let's try something else. Maybe something a little easier. Let's simplify it, like a lot.
الملعقة المسطحة.
I'm a little confused because I can hear that at the end of every word they add something like tu or u. Google actually shows me how to pronounce the word, and there I can't see those extra letters. I can just hear them.
الملعقة المسطحة.
Did you hear it? What is going on? I don't know what is wrong, what is right, and saying spatula in Arabic is almost impossible for me. But I'm gonna try it out anyways, you guys, because I'm not used to giving up so easily, okay? I'm gonna try my best, even if I fail, which at this point, it's too late to worry about failing. الملاحة مسطحة. خلط باتي. بني. شوكولاتة. لذيذ. Feel free to tell me in the comments what is wrong, what is right. Teach me, you guys, teach me. I like learning right from the source. Google Translate is definitely not a reliable source. I'm gonna attempt to say something very challenging now. In fact, I'm gonna ask you something in Arabic. ما هو الليس كريم المفضل لديك? Oh, why I always mess it up at the end? I repeated this so many times, I'll be saying it in my sleep tonight. ما هو الليس كريم المفضل. I forgot the last one again. لديك. I wonder what لديك means. Hold on, how is ice cream in Arabic? What? I didn't say that in the previous sentence. What did I just say? Oh my god, you guys, I hope I didn't say something bad.
Chocolate.
That's right, chocolate. I don't know how to say this in Hindi, and if I try to put it in Google Translate, it's probably going to be like super complicated to pronounce. I'm just gonna tell you guys that I'm pouring my chocolate mixture on top of the vanilla mixture, and this is how I'm gonna make 2-color cake. Good luck saying all of that in English. I mean in Hindi. Now I can use charcoal, chanmach,
Dantar khodni.
Dantarkudni. Oh my god, I never thought that I would learn how is toothpick in Hindi. That's so random. I love it. I'm so proud I now know this word, Dantarkudni. So I can use the chaku or chanmach or Dantarkudni to vanilla or chocolate milai. I hope you made sense of what I just said. Dantarkudni, that's my weapon of choice. So I'm just gonna go around the cake. Muchiyah toothpick pasan nihan hai. Bahut chota. Chaco better hai. Oh yeah. Sudah pukul pada waktu malam. Jiran saya sedang tidur. Saya perlu pukul. Oops. Cake saya di atas meja.
Untuk mengeluarkan udara.
This. Untuk mengeluarkan udara. Oof, I butchered this.
Gelembung udara.
Gelembung udara. Oh, see, that's a little easier. Gelembung udara.
Denna kaka ska gräddas i 170 grader.
You're kidding me, right? Guys, how am I supposed to say that? I don't have something to help me to pronounce all of these words. How do we pronounce the A with the 2 dots above it? What do I have on my nose? This was some cacao. Please don't tell me this was on my nose the whole time. Denna kakaska gradas I 170 grader. How was that? Hey, that was not easy. I mean, that was easy. Yentime. Yentime. Oh, they are so long, Ted. Their time are 60 minuter. 60 minuter are the 1600 sekunder. I mean, duh, but that's very long time. I hope that cake is worth the waiting. Amicu bibishano. Ita matru baro minute quitchi. Which I don't know about that last word. Chol cake. Chol. Bariti kikermoto gonho. Sorry, not.
Gonto.
Gonho.
Gonto.
Gonho. Wow, this is difficult. My brain is sending signals to my tongue, but my tongue is like, I can't move like that. I understand what's the task, but the execution is impossible. Apnar priot dijart ki. Ami cheesecake. Pachanda curry.
1 hour later.
Ta-da! Alright, you guys, it's here. Our international cake is finally here. Naifu de tsuku. Naifu gan kire nara. Yoku yaita. 3, 2, 1. Kire! Yayy! Okay, you guys, let's flip it. Moment of truth. I'm so excited. We did it! It is so... I almost dropped it. It's so pretty. Alright, let's cut it. Because you know, the truth is inside. Ta-da! It's not undercooked. That's awesome. Taste test. Oh, caliente. That's a thumbs up from me. We did it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Trying to speak foreign languages with the help of Google Translate was probably a huge fail, but hey, at least I end up with a cake. You can't be sad when you have cake. I said that in my previous video, but I'm gonna also say it again. Whenever I hear someone attempting to speak my native language, it always makes me so happy. Even if they're making mistakes, even if they're not pronouncing everything right. I don't know, I really appreciate it, you know? Just the fact that they're taking the time to even try. So I hope that me attempting to speak your language today made your day a little better. A little is enough. I don't want to ask for too much. Yeah, I really tried my best. Wow. But it was fun. So I'll probably do it again if you guys want to see more videos like that with even more languages. You can check out the first time I tried this challenge when I was doing my makeup and speaking foreign languages, or you can check out this video over here. I don't know what YouTube is suggesting to you, but it must be good. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!